The revolt starts now.
Get your status up, man.
Status up. For the note.
This panel coming up is called Get Your Shine On. It's for the people who like to look good, feel good, wear that jewelry, you know what I'm saying, look fly.
Something like,
Come on, son.
I'm humble, you know what I mean? I'm humble, you heard? Get your shine on, you see the status boys in the building.
Next we got ZeeDaJeweler. Turn up. Come on up here, real Scott. How has the jury game changed over the years?
So first of all, ZeeDaJeweler. I'm from Status. Thanks Revolt for having me. Thanks AT&T for having me. Apart from that, to answer your question, I feel like the transition has been since getting more detailed. This generation is being very creative and is focusing on a lot of creative details and adding to the pieces. So it's all about also branding your own self at the same time as well. That's my thing.
Who are some different people you work with?
I mean, there are a bunch of artists. There's a lot of people who we've been working with, being in Status. If you just want to name them, we have Moneybag, we have a QC artist, Banco Ferdy. We're working with Chris Brown right now as well. There's a lot of different artists, just to name them.
Where do you draw inspiration from, I would say, to stay relevant and stay ahead of the game?
Music is definitely one of the ways. I'm personally very passionate about jewelry and fashion at the same time, as you can see. That being said, when it comes to the designing part of it, I personally get into it, do my own research, try different options out, sit in front of a 3D designing CAD designers at the same time, try different options out, and then create a link which is not there, and really set the trend up.
Alright, so is that like a family thing, like how you became in the jewelry business, you did it through the family?
So when I first started, my dad used to work for a jewelry store. He used to work for a jewelry store, and he continued working for a jewelry store. I started off working in different spots. I started working in the cell phone industry. I started working in cologne, perfumes, just trying different options out while I was still studying. I was still making sure everything was good. Just start trying different options out to really explore where I was going with it. After the fact, I started working with my dad along for the same people who he used to work for. After a certain time, he just stopped working, and ever since, I felt like it's about time that I create something along with the team that I have, something that really focuses on what they really want, what the client really wants, what the consumer really wants.